A driver was quoted $300 for a sunroof leak repair. The actual problem was a clogged drain hole she cleared in 10 minutes with a pipe cleaner. $2 fix. Most car maintenance isn't complicated. It's just never explained. 15 DIY tricks that save real money and take almost no skill. Hack number 1 is a free habit that protects a component costing $500 to $1,200 to replace. Hack number 15. Soda rust treatment. Surface rust bubbling on your hood or doors? Before paying hundreds at a body shop, try this as a temporary fix. Pour Coca-Cola onto the rusted spot and let it sit for 10 minutes. The phosphoric acid breaks down light surface rust chemically. Scrub with aluminum foil and wipe clean. The active ingredient is the same acid found in commercial rust removers, just without the markup. This won't fix deep structural corrosion, but for minor surface spots, a $2 bottle buys you time before professional treatment. Hack number 14. WD-40 rim cleaning. Brake dust and road grime baked onto your rims? Spray WD-40. Let it sit 30 seconds. Wipe with a microfiber cloth. It dissolves brake dust without harsh scrubbing. A $5 can cleans all 4 wheels multiple times. Best for quick cleanups between proper washes. Not a long-term replacement for dedicated wheel cleaner, but effective for light buildup. Skip the expensive detailing appointment for something this straightforward. Hack number 13. Baking soda battery rescue. White or blue crust on your battery terminals can mimic the symptoms of a dead battery perfectly. Before spending $150 to $300 on a replacement you might not need, mix 1 tablespoon of baking soda with a cup of water. Pour it over the corroded terminals. The fizzing neutralizes the acid buildup. Scrub with a toothbrush, rinse with clean water, dry completely. Your starting problems may vanish entirely. Do this every 6 months to prevent buildup from returning. A $2 fix that can save you from a replacement the shop diagnosed as battery failure when it was really just surface corrosion. Hack number 12. Wiper blade revival. Streaking, skipping, or squeaking wipers don't always mean the blades are done. Wipe the rubber edge with rubbing alcohol on a clean cloth. This removes road oils, car wash residue, and environmental buildup that cause most wiper problems. A $3 bottle can extend blade life by 6 to 12 months. If the problem persists after cleaning, then the rubber is genuinely worn and replacement makes sense. Always clean before you replace. You might save $30 to $60 for blades that still had months of life left. Hack number 11. DIY air filter swap. Your mechanic shows you a dirty air filter and quotes $40 to $80 for replacements. The part costs $10 to $20 at any auto store. Pop the hood, find the black plastic box near the engine, unclip it, swap the filter, clip it shut. 5 minutes. 0 tools. I do mine in my driveway every 15,000 miles. One of the most marked up services in the industry, and one of the easiest to handle yourself. While you're under the hood, check your fluid levels too. Hack number 10. DIY coolant flush. Car running hot or heater blowing cold? Buy pre-mixed coolant for $15. Locate the radiator drain plug. Drain old coolant into a pan. Close the plug. Refill through the cap. Run the engine with the cap off until air bubbles escape. Top off. 30 minutes, $20 in materials. Check your manual for the correct coolant type. Using the wrong one causes more problems than it solves. This saves more than most people expect compared to having it done at the shop. This one sounds wrong, but it works, and the next few hacks save the most money per minute of effort. Hack number 9. Fuel grade reality check. Most people get this completely backwards. If your manual says regular unleaded recommended, buying premium is wasting $200 to $400 a year on octane your engine literally cannot use. Higher octane doesn't mean cleaner or more powerful. It means higher knock resistance, which standard engines don't need. Follow the manual, not the pump marketing. Easiest savings on this entire list. Starts working on your very next fill-up. Hack number 8. DIY spark plug replacement. Misfiring or rough idle? Spark plugs cost $15 to $40 at an auto store. On most vehicles, they're designed to be owner serviceable. Pull the rubber boot. Unscrew the old plug with a spark plug socket. Screw in the new one hand tight, snug with the wrench. Replace one at a time so you don't mix up the wires. 30 minutes saves you well over $100 in shop labor. Check your manual for the correct plug type and interval, typically every 30,000 to 100,000 miles, depending on plug material. Hack number 7. Petroleum jelly door seal treatment. Doors getting harder to close? Rubber seals cracking or drying out? Before paying a few $100s per door for replacements, apply a thin layer of petroleum jelly along the entire seal. It penetrates the rubber, restores flexibility, and creates a barrier against UV and moisture damage. A $3 jar treats all doors, trunk, and sunroof seals. Rubber seals dry out from sun exposure, not wear. Conditioning them twice a year can prevent $1,000 plus in replacements over the life of the car. Hack number 6. Sunroof drain cleaning. Mechanics hate this one because it eliminates their most profitable interior repair. Is water leaking through the headliner or pooling in footwells after rain? Before spending hundreds on seal replacement, check your sunroof drains first. Open the sunroof, find the small drain holes in each corner. Clear them with a pipe cleaner or compressed air. Clogged drains are the #1 cause of interior water leaks, not damaged seals. 10 minutes, $2 in pipe cleaners. Clean them every spring and fall. Hack number 5. Serpentine belt squeal diagnosis. Belt squealing on startup or when AC kicks on? Before paying for a replacement you might not need, try this diagnostic first. Carefully apply a small amount of water, not WD-40, not lubricant, to the rib side of the belt while the engine runs. If the squeal stops temporarily, the belt has glazing or minor slippage, not necessarily wear. If it persists, replacement is justified. This won't fix the belt. It tells you whether the repair is actually needed before you spend the money. Hack number 4. Silicone spray for squeaky doors. Squeaking hinges every time you open the door? Spray silicone lubricant directly into the hinge pivot points. Open and close a few times to work it in. Silicone beats oil-based lubricants because it doesn't attract dirt or gum up over time. A $5 can works on door, hood, trunk hinges, and seat tracks. 2-minute fix that lasts months. Hack number 3. Clay bar paint restoration. Paint feels rough and gritty even after washing? That's embedded contaminants, tree sap, and industrial fallout bonded to the clear coat. Buy a clay bar kit for $15 to $25. Spray the included lubricant on a small section. Glide the clay bar across in straight lines. It removes what washing can't touch. Your paint becomes glass smooth. This is the exact process professional detailers charge hundreds for. Doing it twice a year prevents oxidation and reduces the need for expensive paint correction later. Hack number 2. Gradual brake fluid refresh. Spongy brake pedal or dark contaminated fluid? Use a turkey baster to remove old fluid from the reservoir under the hood. Refill with fresh .3 or .4. Check your manual for the correct type. Repeat every few weeks until the fluid runs clear. An $8 bottle of brake fluid gives you most of the benefit of a shop flush costing 10 times more. Fresh fluid also prevents internal corrosion in brake lines and calipers that leads to far more expensive repairs down the road. Hack number 1. The AC longevity habit. This costs nothing and protects a component worth $500 to $1,200 to replace. Turn off your AC 30 seconds before shutting off the engine. Let the fan run alone to dry out the evaporator. When you restart with the AC on full blast, the compressor engages under maximum load during startup, accelerating wear on the compressor, clutch, and battery. This free habit adds years to your AC system's life and prevents the musty smell that develops from moisture and mold buildup inside the evaporator housing. 30 seconds of patience, $0 cost. Potentially $1,200 saved. 15 tricks, all under $25, most under $5. Most people will ignore at least 5 of these and end up paying for it later. Which one are you actually going to try? Drop it in the comments. And if you've got a DIY fix I didn't cover, share it. The best tips always come from drivers who figured things out in their own driveway. If even one of these saved you money, hit subscribe because most drivers don't learn this until it's already on the repair bill.